Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're going to take a look today on the EGW Writings 2 app how to change the background colors both to the main screen and to the reader. Some of you, when you install the app, will notice that it comes up like I have here on my home screen, black. Now this is called dark mode. So we have 4 different color modes available in the app. And if you want to change them, there are 2 ways. The first way is I tap on the little sandwich icon, I tap on Settings, and at the very top here in the interface it says Color Theme, and there are 4 modes. We're currently on dark mode, and if I tap the word dark, it opens up the 4 options. The first option is dawn. The second option is day. The third option is dusk, and then the fourth we're back to dark mode again. Now you can change it not just in the side menu, but maybe I've opened up a book and I'm reading the book and it was during, outside or whatever, and I might be saying, the text is a little dark. I want it nice and bright. Well, once you're in the book, we actually have up here the little AA, and this is the little AA signifies all the little reading tools. And if you tap it, it opens up and instantly you can hit there and you can see that it's selected dark mode. I could tap day mode and straight away now the book is bright, and I might want to use that when I'm reading outside in the daytime. But then I'm come to nighttime and it's, say, oh wow, this is too bright. No problems, just tap the little AA, tap dark, and now I can go ahead and read. So you can quickly, as you're reading through a book in its different uses, also change the mode by just tapping that and selecting it. Okay, so that's how you change to the 4 different color modes in the EGW Writings 2 app. I hope this little tech tip has been beneficial to you. And as you use the app, don't be afraid to change the color backgrounds to your particular use and need. Thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.